नाज़रीन अस्सलाम वालेकुम, नमस्कार, सत श्री अकाल एंड वेरी गुड इवनिंग। जैसे कि आपको पता है कि हर इतवार को एवरी संडे फ्रॉम 8 PM वी आर टेलीकास्टिंग आवर प्रोग्राम विच नेम इज़ माइंड एंड बॉडी, wherever we are talking about the spirituality topic, at the same time we are discussing the health issues. Every Sunday we have different doctors discuss on the different topics as usual, but that program जो है वो ट्यूसडे एंड थर्सडे को 5-5:30 बजे 5:30 इवनिंग वो दोबारा टेलीकास्ट होता है। सो जो माइंड एंड बॉडी प्रोग्राम है दैट इज़ स्पॉन्सर्ड बाय BNC मेडिकल सेंटर। BNC मेडिकल सेंटर जो ब्रैम्पटन में जो रोड है एक बड़ी पॉपुलर ब्रैमली एंड कंट्री साइड की एग्जैक्ट कॉर्नर के ऊपर गैस स्टेशन है। उस गैस स्टेशन के अंदर जो प्लाजा है उसमें हमारा BNC मेडिकल सेंटर है। BNC का मतलब भी यही है, B मीन्स ब्रैमली, C मीन्स कंट्री साइड, सो दैट इज़ वाई वी कॉल BNC मीन्स ब्रैमली एंड कंट्री साइड की एग्जैक्टली इंटरसेक्शन के ऊपर जो हमारा BNC मेडिकल सेंटर है। ब्रैम्पटन में, मिसिसागा में, इटोबिको में, टोरंटो में, आप कहीं भी चले जाए, सबसे पहला ये स्टोर हमारा मेडिकल सेंटर है जिसमें अंडर वन रूफ वी आर प्रोवाइडिंग सो मैनी फैसिलिटीज़। वी आर प्रोवाइडिंग फिजियोथेरेपी एंड कैरोप्रैक्टिक एक्टिविटीज़। At the same time we have urgent care, walk-in cleaning, and we are accepting the new patient. Not only that, 365 days our IDA pharmacy which is under the same roof वो भी खुलती है, और बिल्कुल कॉर्नर के ऊपर BNC विज़न सेंटर है जिसको मैं अक्सर कहता हूँ कि आँखों की दुकान, चश्मों की दुकान है, जहाँ आँखों का जो है मिनी हॉस्पिटल है। मिनी हॉस्पिटल हम आँखों का इसलिए कहते हैं कि फ़र्स्ट टाइम ब्रैम्पटन में जितनी भी ऑप्टिकल स्टोर्स हैं वहाँ पर जो आई डॉक्टर है वो वीक में कुछ घंटों के लिए एक दिन आता है, पर लेकिन यहाँ पर हमारे पास 5 दिन कंटिन्यूसली आई डॉक्टर्स डिफरेंट होती हैं। जहाँ पर वो आई डॉक्टर हैं वहाँ पर स्पेशलिस्ट भी हैं, ऑप्थोमोलॉजिस्ट। सो इन सभी एक्टिविटीज़ को इकट्ठी करके इस जो पूरी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है इसको हम बोलते हैं BNC मेडिकल सेंटर, जो कि ब्रैमली एंड कंट्री साइड की कॉर्नर पर है। फ़ोन नंबर जो है 289, अब ब्रैम्पटन में नया एरिया कोड आ गया, जैसे पहले टोरंटो में 416 था, ब्रैम्पटन में 905 था, अब ब्रैम्पटन में नया एरिया कोड है 289। सो जो नया एरिया कोड है 289 हमारा नंबर है, और साथ में 569-0124 जो 0124 ये अर्जेंट केयर का है, 0125 ये फार्मेसी का है, 0126 ये फिजियोथेरेपी का है, एंड 0127 जो है वो हमारी विज़न सेंटर का है। क्योंकि काफ़ी फ़ोन बिज़ी होता था, पब्लिक बड़ी कंप्लेन करती थी कि आपका घंटा फ़ोन ही नहीं उठाते, तो हमने 2 नए फ़ोन भी इंट्रोड्यूस किए हैं विद द एरिया कोड 905 एरिया कोड के साथ। जो अर्जेंट केयर का नंबर है वो है 905-793-5888, और जो विज़न सेंटर का है सेम एरिया कोड 905, देन नेक्स्ट 3 नंबर्स आर सेम 793, देन द 4 नंबर्स अर्जेंट केयर की हैं 5888 और विज़न सेंटर की हैं 5866। वहाँ पर लास्ट में नंबर 66 लगाना है और अर्जेंट केयर में 88 लगाना है। तो BNC मेडिकल सेंटर के ताउन से ये हम प्रोग्राम माइंड एंड बॉडी TV पर करते हैं, जो कि संडे को 8 बजे आता है, ट्यूसडे एंड थर्सडे को 5:30 बजे शाम को आता है। आज का जो प्रोग्राम है, आज हम फिजियोथेरेपी के ऊपर बात करेंगे, क्योंकि दैट इज़ आल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दीज डेज। लाइक इफ़ वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट 50 years ago, nobody knows what is physiotherapy एंड कैरोप्रैक्टर सर्विसेज, क्योंकि वो तो एक ही डॉक्टर होता था, एक ही वैद्य होता था, एक ही हकीम होता था, वही सारा इलाज करता था, वही सर्जरी करता था, वही दवाई देता था। लेकिन विद द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ साइंस, सो डिफरेंट अब जो फील्ड्स बन गए हैं, जैसे अर्जेंट केयर का अपना फील्ड है, फैमिली डॉक्टर का, इसी तरह फार्मेसी का अपना फील्ड है, स्पेशलिस्ट का अपना फील्ड है, उसी तरह बिल्कुल फिजियोथेरेपी का अपना फील्ड है, जो कि इसमें मसाज होती है, जो कुछ भी होती है, तो वो हम डिटेल में इंस्टेड ऑफ आई कैन स्पीक समथिंग. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई वांट टू वेलकम Emily. Emily, welcome here.
Thank you.
And Stephanie, you are also welcome over here. So these both girls or ladies I should say, they are working in BNC. Emily is a physiotherapist. So instead of to continue with my long lecture, I want now to start with Emily. Emily, can you tell me something about your background, that you are a physiotherapist? So where are you working and how about your qualification, your background, please?
Yeah, so I'm a registered physiotherapist. I'm working in Ortho Care Physio, which is also part of BNC Urgent Care now. And I basically am from India. I graduated in India. Then after coming here in Canada, I got my registration. So I'm practicing now for 5 years in Canada as a registered physiotherapist.
Okay, so Stephanie, what is your role in BNC physiotherapy, which is you have, although you have a different name, like in pharmacy we have IDA pharmacy, but basically it's a BNC pharmacy. So same thing, even it's a physiotherapy name is different, but basically it's a BNC physiotherapy. So what is your role in physiotherapy, and can you introduce yourself, please?
Sure. So I'm born and raised from Brampton. I got my education at Sheridan College. My role as a kinesiologist is I work in the gym and I help improve and enhance clients' rehab by giving them exercises and individualized programs to help heal their injuries and help better support other parts of their body that may need it.
Okay, and Emily, can you tell me, like I heard that, sometime I heard that there is a chiropractor and there is a physiotherapist. Sometimes I couldn't understand what is the difference between physiotherapist and chiropractor, or is it the same thing, or what is the difference, or how you can explain in a simple and easy way?
Yeah, so well, that's like a question even many patients ask me about what's the difference between the physiotherapy and chiropractor. I can say pretty much both physios and chiros do the same kind of treatment in rehabilitation part. We all both do same kind of like stretches, exercise program, but chiropractors, they have more extensive training in a spinal manipulation techniques. So I can explain what is spinal manipulation. It's like chiropractors with their hands, they give a pressure in the spinal joints to improve their mobility of the spine. So if a patient comes with the neck pain or mechanical low back pain, so these chiropractors apply the spinal adjustment, then they get better mobility of the spine, and then from there we focus on more on the strengthening part.
Okay, one question I have to ask you. Sometimes people have an accident, right?
Yes.
So of course, first they will go to the emergency in the hospital because nobody want to take risk.
Yes.
But after that, sometimes the hospitals or the doctors over there, they recommend that okay, you need massage or something like this. I don't have much knowledge, but those patients come to you as a physiotherapist. How you can help them?
Yeah, so we have many patients those who have suffered the car accident. So initial time, the treatment will be like around 8 to 12 weeks program. So initial time when they are in acute pain, we help to get them reduce the pain, improve their activities of daily living, and then slowly after 2 weeks, 3 weeks, we start them to help them to return to their normal life by giving more exercise program, so more strengthening exercises. So in the car accident patients, we can give physiotherapy, chiropractor, massage, and then if they are in need of braces, we can provide that too. So that comes under the product session, braces. Suppose if they have back injury, lower back pain, so they need a low back support when they're driving or when they're walking, so that give better stability of the spine. So most of the accident cases, pretty much all the insurance covers the cost of their physio, a rehab part. So if in case depends on their injury, if they need to extend their treatment, we can again submit another treatment plan, so we can actually focus on their full rehab program.
Okay, if somebody don't have the insurance, for example, so how they will pay and how you will handle it? Sometimes the customer or patient is a poor guy, right? And at the same time he don't have insurance. So, but you need the money, of course. When you are working, you need the money. That's your livelihood, right? But how you can solve that problem?
We cannot give any discount as such because it's equal price for every patient. But if we have any kind of such cases, like on a compassionate basis, that's again we have to decide, or we have to like discuss with the family doctor or something like that, whether they are in really need of a treatment or something like that. Otherwise, we cannot give any discount to any patients. Like it should be fair to everyone.
But if some seniors, senior citizen or senior person will come to you, like the massage. So I saw so many, physiotherapists organization. They said, okay, for seniors discount is like 10%, 20%, or 30%, and all seniors they are getting the same benefit in BNC physiotherapy, or no? You don't give any discount?
We cannot give any special discount for people. Like we have to give equal price to everyone.
Okay, doesn't matter. There is no discount or anything.
No,
okay,
no.
And I heard that there is a sometimes the people feel beer stockings and knees or anything. You are selling those, or shoes.
Yes.
So you are selling those things too. Or what is the difference between if we can go to Bramley City Center and get it over there? Why should we come to you when I think their prices are cheaper? Is there any special thing in your shoes and all those things?
We don't provide shoes, but we provide orthotics. That is insoles we can worn under the shoes, and we provide also compression stockings. So this compression stockings is like we order from like a professional company, so it's like a more it's lasting long, because compression stockings are mainly used for varicose veins. So those who do the standing job, like a 8 hours 10 hours job, they might have swelling in their legs or decreased blood circulation. In that cases, compression stockings will really help them to improve their blood circulation, because it gives a compression force to improve the blood circulation. So it's really helpful actually.
And Stephanie, I have to ask you after the break, because we need some break, and when I come back I have to ask that when you are guiding the exercise, is there any help actually, or it's just merely eye wash? That nothing will happen, but just you are grabbing the money, or I don't want to say like this, but sometimes the people feel that we are just wasting our time or the money, but we won't get any benefit. So when we will come back, so I will ask you that question. So Shrutiyo, Darshko, जैसे कि आपको पता कि we are discussing today with Emily and Stephanie. Both are came from the BNC Physiotherapy, which is a part of the BNC Medical Center on Bramley and Countryside. So don't go away. We want to just make it a small break, and we will be back soon. Thank you. थैंक यू वेरी मच। जैसे कि आपको पता है कि ब्रेक से पहले हम डिस्कस कर रहे थे फिजियोथेरेपी के जितनी भी प्रॉब्लम्स हैं कि उसका क्या रोल होता है, कैरोप्रैक्टर और फिजियोथेरेपी में क्या डिफरेंस होता है। उसी के साथ हमारे साथ आज स्टूडियो में स्टेफनी है, जो कि एक्सरसाइज के ऊपर डील करती है कि एक्सरसाइज के थ्रू आदमी को कैसे ठीक किया जा सकता है जब उनको प्रॉब्लम आ जाती है, कोई एक्सीडेंट हो जाता है, कोई बैक प्रॉब्लम आ जाती है या कोई नी प्रॉब्लम आ जाती है। तो यहाँ पर फिजियोथेरेपी अपनी एक्टिविटीज़ के साथ, अपनी सर्विसेज के साथ पेशेंट को ठीक करने की कोशिश करती हैं। वहाँ पर स्टेफनी भी जो BNC फिजियोथेरेपी की स्टाफ मेंबर हैं, वो एक्सरसाइज के थ्रू पेशेंट को बेनिफिट देने की कोशिश करते हैं। सो अगेन वेलकम बैक द शो। सो स्टेफनी, as I was asking you before, that can you tell me, or can you tell our audience that what are the benefits when you are teaching the proper exercise?
So the benefits of exercise are really endless. If you lose mobility or strength, you really lose a lot of quality of life. So what we try to do is improve the quality of life by making clients stronger again, improving their flexibility, and making them more mobile to be able to work better in their everyday life and at work. So the exercise program kind of helps strengthen the person, and we ensure that the person is doing it correct. We're working on the target muscles where we're trying to improve the area, and really a lot of the feedback and a lot of research proves that exercise is really the fountain of youth, and it is the way to keep yourself healthy for a long time.
Okay, and Emily, I saw so many times you are always busy in physiotherapy. I remember it that the BNC physiotherapy starts last year in 2017, and it's only 1 year, old, this organization. But whenever I go there, it's too much traffic over there. I don't know whether it's for urgent care or pharmacy. At the same time, in your side, in the corner, some patients are waiting, and whenever I go to the reception to meet you, and they said, oh, she's always busy. So can you tell me, how that pharmacy is very busy? Why it's, whether it's honesty or whether you are sincere or whether you are price? What are the main features that within a year you are so busy?
Yeah, so actually we are getting pretty busy now. So we ensure that we give the best service to the patient so that they can return to their normal routine of their life. So if they come with different injuries, or any illness, or if they have arthritis, so we help them to regain their normal range of motion and normal muscle function, so they improve within a few 2-3 weeks of treatment, and then we give them home exercise program. So all the patients who are coming to the physio, they get the better quality of service, and then the other thing is they tell other people about us, their friends, family, relatives, so that way we getting more and more patients. And those who are coming to the physio, they are all fully satisfied with the treatment we provide. We have a good team, a physiotherapy and chiropractor. She is Dr. Pavneet, and we have a massage therapist, both male and female therapists available. So we all make sure that our patients get the best service.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. And when you are busy, is urgent care play any role, right? Because when the doctor see the patient, if they are related to the physiotherapy, because when the patient saw that it's under the same roof, the physiotherapy is there, so you think they will come directly to you instead of to go somewhere else, or you feel that there is no benefit from the Dr. Ankush Goyal?
Oh, of course, we have a lot of benefit from Dr. Ankush, because he is referring the patient. I mean, he see the patients there, and then if he's referred to the physiotherapy, the patients will of course come to us, and then that's why we have to make sure we give the best service. Otherwise, the doctors won't be confident enough to refer to our clinic. And there is also walking traffic also, patients are just directly coming to the physio part.
Okay.
Yeah.
So if any patient goes to any doctor and he get the referral, the doctor sometimes they said, okay, this is the paper here, you can go A, B, C, physiotherapy. Mm-hmm. But instead of to go there, once you have a good reputation, any patient can come to you with any referral or no?
Of course, yeah, of course, patients can come to our physio part with any referral.
Okay,
yeah.
So can you explain me, tell our audience that what days you are open? Is there any holiday? Like urgent care is open 365 days. There is no holiday, long weekend, Christmas, mm-hmm. New Year, we open it. Mm-hmm. But I think whenever I go on, especially on Sunday, I think you close, right?
Yeah.
So can you tell me the timings and what days you are open and what days you are closed?
Yeah, so right now we are open on Monday to Friday 10 to 8, but Friday we close a little bit early, sometimes 10 to 6, but otherwise our usual hours are Monday to Friday 10 to 8, Saturday 10 to 2, and then we are planning to open on Sundays soon, so that would be also 10 to 2, and then we are closing on long weekend Mondays. Yeah. Okay,
so something everybody wants to take a little bit rest, but only the doctors. Even if you go to Brampton or Mississauga, mm-hmm. if there are about 230 clinics, walk-in clinics or family doctors, I think out of 230, only 2 or 3 are open on long weekend, because doctor want to enjoy too with the family or anything. But Dr. Ankush Goyal, he feels that when somebody has the problem, instead of to go to the hospital and wait 7 to 8 hours in the hospital, at least when they come, he feels more comfortable to serve the community and help the people, especially when they are in a problem. Yeah. So I wish that you can open on the long weekend too, even for a couple of hours, So sometimes the patient has back problem or anything or accident. At least if you are open, then it's not just to make money, but it's the help of the community too. And once you help the community, God always help you people too. So I hope that shortly you will think about it, and on long weekend or Sunday you are planning to open it, so that even you can get less patient, but at least you are serving the more community, right? And now Stephanie, can you tell me something like how long you working here with physiotherapy, and what is your future plan, whether you want to go for higher study or that's it, and you want to work as whatever your position is?
So I really enjoy working at BNC. I get to learn a lot. As being a somewhat recent grad, it is really a great opportunity to work under someone that is willing to teach and help my learning and my development. I actually just wrote my exam to be a registered kinesiologist, so hopefully I'm going to use that certificate and kind of grow with the company and see where my feet take me.
Okay, because I heard that most of the students, when they did their graduation, they go to the medical schools in different islands or different countries, like in India, China, Russia, England, and after 5-6 years, instead of to stick with that year degree, they become a doctor. That's what the reason I'm asking, that you have any planning to go for further study, instead of course doctors' fear is a little bit much higher than
I really like the position I'm in. I'm able to stay on my feet, and working in a gym is something I really enjoy, and it gives me an opportunity to discuss with a lot of clients. So I like the position I am, and there are ways to work up as a kinesiologist. So there's a lot of decisions to be made in the next few years, but as of now, I like where it is, and I like the way it's going.
Okay, and Emily, how about I heard that you people are getting the money directly from the insurance company, so people should not worry about it, that how much they are paying or anything, they just come to you and you will handle all those insurance. Am I right or wrong?
Yes. Most of the insurance company, they accept the direct payment. So we, like 95% of the insurance policies, the patient, they have the online access. So we do the direct billing. So patient doesn't need to pay upfront. So patient can come and take the treatment. And only if in the cases like they have very less coverage, then they need to pay the difference. Otherwise, we can do the online billing.
ਓਕੇ ਸੋ ਪਿਆਰੇ ਦਰਸ਼ਕੋ, ਜਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਕਿ ਹੁਣ ਅਸੀਂ ਡਿਟੇਲ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਡਿਸਕਸ ਕਰ ਹੀ ਲਿਆ ਕਿ ਜੇ ਫਿਜ਼ੀਓਥੈਰੇਪੀ ਦੇ ਕੀ ਰੋਲਸ ਨੇ, ਕੈਰੋਪ੍ਰੈਕਟਰ ਦੇ ਕੀ ਰੋਲਸ ਨੇ, ਇੰਸ਼ੋਰੈਂਸ ਜੇ ਹੈਗੀ ਤੇ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਵਰੀ ਕਰਨ ਦੀ ਲੋੜ ਨਹੀਂ, ਉਹ ਆਪਣੇ ਆਪ ਹੀ ਹੈਂਡਲ ਕਰ ਲੈਂਦੇ ਨੇ, ਆਪ ਹੀ ਇੰਸ਼ੋਰੈਂਸ ਤੋਂ ਪੈਸੇ ਕਲੇਮ ਕਰ ਲੈਂਦੇ ਨੇ। ਜੇ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕਿਤੇ ਪੈਰ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਵੀ ਕੋਈ ਪ੍ਰੋਬਲਮ ਹੈ, ਉਹ ਐਕਸਰਸਾਈਜ਼ ਨਾਲ, ਜਾਂ ਕੋਈ ਬੈਕ ਦੀ ਕੋਈ ਪ੍ਰੋਬਲਮ ਆ ਗਈ, ਉਹ ਐਕਸਰਸਾਈਜ਼ ਨਾਲ ਵੀ ਸੋਲਵ ਕੀਤੀ ਜਾ ਸਕਦੀ। ਫਿਰ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਕੋਲ ਡਿਫਰੈਂਟ ਮਸ਼ੀਨਸ ਵੀ ਨੇ ਘਰੇ। ਮਸਾਜ, ਮੈਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਗੱਲ ਬੜੀ ਕਲੀਅਰ ਕਰਨੀ ਚਾਹੁੰਦਾ, ਮਸਾਜ ਡਜ਼ਨਟ ਮੀਨ ਦੈਟ ਯੂ ਕੈਨ ਆਸਕ ਯੂਅਰ ਮਮ ਐਂਡ ਡੈਡ ਔਰ ਬ੍ਰਦਰ ਐਂਡ ਸਿਸਟਰ ਦੈਟ ਜਸਟ ਮਸਾਜ ਮਾਈ ਬੈਕ। ਸੋ ਕਈ ਵਾਰੀ ਉਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਪ੍ਰੋਬਲਮਸ ਹੋ ਸਕਦੀਆਂ। ਆਲਵੇਜ਼ ਟਰਾਈ ਟੂ ਗੋ ਟੂ ਦ ਪ੍ਰੋਫੈਸ਼ਨਲ, ਈਵਨ ਦੇ ਆਰ ਚਾਰਜਿੰਗ ਲਿਟਲ ਬਿਟ, ਬਟ ਯੂ ਵਿਲ ਗੈਟ ਮੋਰ ਰਿਲੀਫ, ਹੈ ਨਾ। ਸੋ ਇਸ ਕਰਕੇ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਹੈ BNC ਫਿਜ਼ੀਓਥੈਰੇਪੀ ਹੈ, ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਐਕਸਪਰਟ ਨੇ। ਐਮਲੀ ਫਿਜ਼ੀਓਥੈਰੇਪਿਸਟ ਹੈ, ਸ਼ੀ ਇਜ਼ ਆਲਵੇਜ਼ ਸਮਾਈਲਿੰਗ। I met so many patients when they come to our BNC Vision Center. Even all patients, they report 90%, not if all, 90% always patient tell the doctor that what they feel for the physiotherapy. If the doctor is not feeling comfortable, there is no such legal contract with them that Dr. Ankush can or the other doctor can send to physiotherapy. He can send it to anywhere else too, but as long as their services are very good and the patients or customers are happy, automatically they will come. And I can assure you that their services are excellent, honest, and they are not doing any foul or fraud things. That is out of our books. We want to eat a little bit less, but we want to sleep at night time, sound sleep. ਸੋ ਇਹ ਇੱਕ ਗੱਲ ਮੈਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਦੱਸਣੀ ਚਾਹੁੰਦਾ ਕਿ ਵੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਬੇਫਿਕਰ ਹੋ ਕੇ BNC ਫਿਜ਼ੀਓਥੈਰੇਪੀ ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਜਾਓ। ਜੋ ਵੀ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਪ੍ਰੋਬਲਮ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਇਮਾਨਦਾਰੀ ਨਾਲ ਦੱਸਣਗੇ ਅਤੇ ਕੋਸ਼ਿਸ਼ ਕਰਨਗੇ ਕਿ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਹੈਲਪ ਹੋਵੇ। ਜੇ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਕਿਸੇ ਵੀ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੀ ਫਿਰ ਵੀ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਕੋਈ ਪ੍ਰੋਬਲਮ ਹੈ, ਯੂ ਕੈਨ ਮੀਟ ਮੀ ਦੇਅਰ। ਆਈ ਹੈਂਡਲ ਆਲ ਦੋਜ਼ ਫੈਸਿਲਿਟੀਜ਼। ਆਈ ਹੈਵ ਅ ਲਿਟਲ ਬਿਟ ਬਿਗ ਰੋਲ। ਜੇ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਕੋਈ ਕੰਪਲੇਂਟ ਹੈ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਇਹ ਠੀਕ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ, ਕੋਈ ਇਲੀਗਲ ਕੰਮ ਕਰਦਾ, ਯੂ ਜਸਟ ਕਮ ਟੂ ਮੀ। ਸੋ ਡੈਫੀਨੇਟਲੀ 100% ਆਈ ਵਿਲ ਟਰਾਈ ਟੂ ਸੋਲਵ ਦੈਟ ਪ੍ਰੋਬਲਮ। ਸੋ ਇਸੇ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਹੀ ਸਟੈਫਨੀ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਨੇ। ਇਹ ਦੇਖੋ, ਸ਼ੀ ਇਜ਼ ਅ ਯੰਗ ਗਰਲ, ਰਾਈਟ। ਨਵੇਂ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਬੱਚੇ ਯੰਗ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਨੇ ਨਾ, ਉਹ ਬੜੀ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਓਨੈਸਟ ਓਪੀਨੀਅਨ, ਦੇ ਆਰ ਓਨੈਸਟ ਇਨਸਾਈਡ। ਸੋ ਇਸ ਕਰਕੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਵੀ ਕਿ ਦੇ ਆਰ ਜਸਟ ਗ੍ਰੈਬਿੰਗ ਯੂਰ ਮਨੀ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਓਨੈਸਟ ਓਪੀਨੀਅਨ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ, ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਹੈਲਪ ਕਰਨਗੇ। ਸੋ ਜਦੋਂ ਵੀ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਕਿਤੇ ਕੋਈ ਪ੍ਰੋਬਲਮ ਹੋਵੇ ਤਾਂ BNC ਫਿਜ਼ੀਓਥੈਰੇਪੀ ਤੋਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਜਾਓ, ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕਿ BNC ਮੈਡੀਕਲ ਸੈਂਟਰ ਦਾ ਇੱਕ ਪਾਰਟ ਹੈ, ਜਿਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਅਰਜੈਂਟ ਕੇਅਰ ਹੈ, IDA ਫਾਰਮੇਸੀ ਹੈ, ਆਫ ਕੋਰਸ BNC ਵਿਜ਼ਨ ਸੈਂਟਰ, ਜਿਹਨੂੰ ਕਿ ਆਪਟੀਕਲ ਸਟੋਰ ਵੀ ਕਹਿ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ, ਜਾਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਅੱਖਾਂ ਦਾ ਮਿਨੀ ਹਸਪਤਾਲ ਵੀ ਕਹਿ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ। 5 ਦਿਨ ਡਾਕਟਰ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਨੇ, ਐਨਕਾਂ ਦੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਸੇਲ ਲੱਗੀ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ ਪੱਕੀ। ਤੇ ਇਹ ਗੱਲ ਨਹੀਂ ਕੋਈ ਬਿਜ਼ਨਸ ਟ੍ਰਿਕ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ, ਬਿਲਕੁਲ ਓਨੈਸਟ। ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੇਖੋਗੇ ਕਿ ਜੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ $100 ਜਾਂ ਇਸ ਤੋਂ ਉੱਪਰ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਬਚਾ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ, ਤੇ ਨਾਲ ਜੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਫੀਲ ਕਰਦੇ ਹੋ ਕਿ ਹੌਸਪਿਟੈਲਿਟੀ ਡੀਲਿੰਗਸ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਅੰਦਰੋਂ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਕੌਨਸ਼ੀਅਸ ਕਹੇਗੀ ਕਿ ਵਧੀਆ ਹੈ, ਫਿਰ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸੇਵਾ ਦਾ ਮੌਕਾ ਦਿਓ। ਅਦਰਵਾਈਜ਼ ਕੋਈ ਪ੍ਰੋਬਲਮ ਨਹੀਂ, ਦੁਨੀਆ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਸਾਰਾ ਕੁਝ ਹੈ, ਪਰ ਆਪਾਂ ਕਿਸੇ ਨੂੰ ਸੁਧਾਰ ਨਹੀਂ ਸਕਦੇ। ਵੀ ਆਰ ਰਿਸਪੌਂਸੀਬਲ ਫਾਰ ਆਵਰ ਓਨ ਐਕਸ਼ਨ। ਜੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਮੈਂ ਬੁਰਾ ਕੰਮ ਕਰਦਾ ਤਾਂ ਮੈਂ ਕੋਈ ਮੇਰੀ ਹੈਲਪ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰ ਸਕਦਾ, ਦੈਨ ਆਈ ਹੈਵ ਟੂ ਫੇਸ ਦਾ ਕੰਸੀਕੁਐਂਸਿਸ। ਸੋ ਇਹ ਅੱਜ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਸਾਡਾ ਅੱਜ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਰਾਮ ਸੀ ਉਹ ਰਿਲੇਟਡ ਫਿਜ਼ੀਓਥੈਰੇਪੀ ਸੀ। ਸੋ ਮੇਰੇ ਖਿਆਲ ਟਾਈਮ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਹੁਣ ਇਸ ਤੋਂ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਇਜਾਜ਼ਤ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦਾ। ਸੋ ਲਾਸਟਲੀ ਮੈਂ ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ ਵੈਰੀ ਮਚ ਫॉर ਕਮਿੰਗ ਟੂ ਦ ਸਟੂਡੀਓ, ਐਂਡ ਆਈ ਹੋਪ in future whenever we need it you can come and explain more better way. So till now next program ਤੱਕ ਲਈ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਪਿਆਰ ਭਰੀ ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ, नमस्कार, सलाम अलैकुम, खुदा हाफिज़, and very good evening. Thank you.